Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Ashwini Sonawane and our today's topic is checklist required for starting a new business. The first and foremost thing you need to decide is whether you want to provide products or you want to render a service. Once you have decided this, you need to understand the knowledge required for selling the said product or service. Then you need to check the manpower which will be required for rendering the service or providing the goods. Then you need to decide whether you will operate from an office premises or a factory premises, that is, you need to decide the place of business. Once the place is decided, the next thing you need to know is the skill set which is required for providing the goods or services. Later, you need to know the capital which will be required at the initial stage and the working capital which will be required for the 6 months for rendering these services. Later, you need to know the target customer to which you want to sell the goods or services. Once you know the target customer, the most important thing is how you are going to reach to these customers. For this, you need to know the marketing and promotion activities which you will be required to be done for providing the services or the goods, that is digital, offline, online tools. Once you have all these 8 factors in place, you can start a new business. Thank you for watching.